Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Grubhub account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer need Grubhub and so you want to go ahead and delete it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Grubhub. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Manage Account, then click on Manage Data or Delete Account. So with here, go ahead and scroll down and you basically need to submit a request in order to delete your account on Grubhub. But there you have it guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Grubhub account. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.